What is up, everybody? I am so sorry I missed Friday's upload. I was just hella busy. Had some awesome progress. I got my O2 sensor welded on. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna get the downpipe put back on, the O2 sensor installed and clipped into the harness, and then we'll see where we go after that. All right, let's go. All right, so I got the underside exposed here. I can get to the fuse panel, and that's pretty much all I needed from down here. It's fucking filthy, so I'm gonna take a little rag to the inside of that, I think. Looks like this thing has an alarm system of some kind, which may be helpful when I'm installing the turbo timer. I might be able to tap into those wires and not have to fuck with something else, so I don't know what this is. Alrighty, so I'm gonna run the power for these gauges. You can see I got a bunch of stuff just chilling down here. And yeah, get to clean this up a little bit. Check in with you as soon as I'm done. Of course. Fucking for real. There we go. Well, the gauges work. Let's fire up the car and see what we got going on. Oh, this one's not plugged in. Shit, I'm gonna go plug that in real quick. Also, my boost gauge isn't reading. Alrighty, there we go. Whew. So she definitely needs to be tuned. And it's responsive. I'm gonna do the ECU now and get that in and then pull the car back in. I'm just gonna leave the ECU hanging, I think. Got the adapter and the new ECU in. It's a P28. And I'm not even gonna turn it on right now. It's got a port to be chipped. I have the chips and I have an ostrich, which I'm gonna be using. So I'm actually gonna button this up for the day and call this good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in a couple days. See you on Friday. For real this time. All right, peace. Before I go inside, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Western Slope Honda. If you're in Colorado on the Western Slope, check them out. Good people. Peace out, y'all.